evening, everyone. I am Dr. Sneha, National Creative Director for Skin at Lakme Salons, India. First of all, I am okay. I am great. I am glad to connect you throughout, and I want to you know uh, greet or I am very happy to see you all because I'm sure that everyone present here is keen on giving best education and developmental skills to their progeny. So we are going to see what are the opportunities with the skin therapy in the beauty industry. हमारे ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री में आपके लिए स्किन थेरेपी अगर आप करते हो तो क्या अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, आप अपना फ्यूचर कैसे सिक्योर कर सकते हो, इसके बारे में आज हम जानेंगे। उसके पहले देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज ब्यूटी एंड व्हाई इट इज नीडेड। ओके, सो ब्यूटी एंड वुमेन आर इनसेपरेबल। ब्यूटी और वुमेन को हम सेपरेट नहीं कर सकते हैं। Beauty is a part of our life and basically part of our personality. So people or women basically needs it because she wants to spread her charm and feel confident, want to look beautiful every day. So this is how is the need. Earlier, it was only a demand from the celebrities because it used to be considered as a luxury for them. But now, with the changing lifestyle and the changing needs of this time, this has become a part of everyone's life. तो 25 साल पहले ब्यूटी के बारे में हमारे सिर्फ पेज 3 सेलिब्रिटीज, बॉलीवुड और हॉलीवुड के एक्टर और एक्ट्रेसेस ही कंसर्न हुआ करते थे, लेकिन अभी हमें सबको मतलब पर्सनल केयर की ज़रूरत होती है। हमें अपना कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ाना होता है, विच इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर वर्किंग। सो इसके लिए ब्यूटी की डिमांड आजकल सेलिब्रिटीज को छोड़ के नॉर्मल लोगों में भी बहुत है। अभी देखते हैं कि व्हाट इज ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री। द ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री इज कंप्राइजेस ऑफ सेल्स ऑफ पर्सनल केयर प्रोडक्ट, स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट, hair care product, and even the perfumes. Then salons, spas, or the wellness clinics, they come under the service sector. And some economist has included the health hubs and the wellness clinics or cosmetology clinics in this industry in the definition. तो ये ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री जब भी हम बोलते हैं तो ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री क्या है, तो ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री में आता है सेल्स, पर्सनल केयर प्रोडक्ट्स, स्किन केयर प्रोडक्ट्स या अपने हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स, परफ्यूम्स, कलर कॉस्मेटिक्स, इनका सेल्स। फिर हमारे सैलून्स, स्पा जो है वो सर्विस सेक्टर में आते हैं, और कुछ इकोनॉमिस्ट ने वेलनेस क्लिनिक्स और कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट क्लिनिक जो है उनको भी इसमें डेफिनेशन में डाला हुआ है। ऐसे बोला जाता है, मतलब इकोनॉमिस्ट आर सेइंग दैट द ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री इज ग्रोइंग एट 11%. Okay, so there is an growth of employment, which is growing at 11% in next few years. एनुअली अगर देखा जाए तो हमारी इंडस्ट्री जो है जो 15 to 20% से ग्रो हो रही है बिकॉज ऑफ द डिमांड ऑफ द इन पब्लिक। ओवरऑल अगर देखा जाएगा तो ये हमारे ब्यूटी इंडस्ट्री का सिनारियो है। अभी हम देखते हैं कि व्हाई इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट, व्हाई द एजुकेशन इज इम्पोर्टेंट हियर। अगर हम 20 साल पुरानी बात करेंगे तो ऐसे बोला जाता था कि अगर कुछ आता नहीं है तो आप ब्यूटिशियन बन जाओ, बट नाउ द सिनेरियो इज चेंजिंग. If you want to grow, then you need to you have a proper foundation of the education. आजकल this industry, beauty and wellness industry, is the second important industry than the medical industry. मेडिकल मतलब डॉक्टर्स के बाद में लोग ब्यूटी थेरेपिस्ट और सैलून्स के पास आते हैं उनके रेगुलर डे टू डे सर्विसेज के लिए. Here, the service providers are allowed to touch the clients. हमारे इंडस्ट्री में हम क्लाइंट्स को टच करते हैं एंड हेंस we should know that what is the general science, what is the body science, what, how, when and where it affects. हमारे जो सर्विसेज हैं, जो हम सारे सर्विसेज अभी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, तो वो सर्विसेज का इफेक्ट कैसे, कब, क्यों, किस तरह से होता है, ये सब हमें जानना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. बिकॉज we are working in the industry which is very important and next to the medical industry. Then इसके लिए हमारे लिए एजुकेशन बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. लैक्मे अकेडमी powered by Aptech provides large amount of or various courses for you. उसमें से कॉस्मेटोलॉजी का जो कोर्स है, so cosmetology comprises of skin, hair and makeup. So it's a comprehensive course है जिससे आप आपका एक फाउंडेशन बना सकते हो. It is absolutely important if you want to grow, then your foundation is strong enough. ये लेके what are the opportunities? Now let's see what are the opportunities. हम इंडस्ट्री में किस तरीके से काम कर सकते हैं. So जैसे मैंने बताया, as I said, there is a one division of sales and marketing. So if you are interested doing sales and marketing, तो हमारे लिए डिजिटल मीडिया एक बहुत बड़ा चैनल खुला है. आजकल पर्सनल केयर, कलर कॉस्मेटिक्स, स्किन केयर, ये जो प्रोडक्ट्स है वो डिजिटल मीडिया थ्रू बहुत ही अच्छे से सेल होते हैं. सो वी हैव दिस वन पर्टिकुलर स्ट्रीम दैट वी कैन एक्सप्लोर. इसके साथ साथ जो है वो डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में ही आप प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट या फिर इनोवेशंस या सेल्स डेवलपर करके भी आप काम कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज द साइड जहाँ पर आप घर बैठे, और वी से दैट बैक स्टेज पीपल. So all these people will be on the back end of the thing, और हम सब ये काम जो है वो हमारे पीछे मतलब कैसे बोलेंगे कि हमारे कस्टमर्स से पीछे रह के हम ये सारी काम करते हैं. बट अगेन डिजिटल मीडिया इज वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट चैनल फॉर अस राइट नाउ. तो इसके लिए यहाँ पर भी हमारा नॉलेज जो है वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होता है. सेकेंडली, अगर आपको सर्विस सेक्टर में काम करना है, जैसे यू वांट टू परफॉर्म द सर्विसेज फॉर योर क्लाइंट, तो आपके लिए बहुत सारे ऑप्शंस हैं. यू कैन बी द ब्यूटी एक्सपर्ट एट एनी ऑफ द ब्रांडेड सैलून्स. अगर आप ब्रांडेड सैलून्स की बात करेंगे तो लैक्मे इज द मोस्ट बिगेस्ट चेन in this salon industry, and at this point we have almost 490 salons existing. So you have a huge opportunity to work with the brand, to work with us, and according to your knowledge levels and skill levels, आपको डेजिग्नेशन दिया जाता है. Then you have another option. Here in the salons, we offer all the skincare services and beauty services with the help of electrotherapy. If you are interested in working spas, okay, and health hubs, तो आप बॉडी स्पेशलिस्ट और बॉडी एक्सपर्ट्स के जैसे काम कर सकते हो. बहुत सारे स्पाज है, हेल्थ हब्स है, हेल्थ क्लिनिक्स है, या फिर यू हैव द अपॉर्चुनिटी ऑफ वर्किंग इन स्लिमिंग सेंटर्स और gyms also. Then if you want to become an entrepreneur, आपका ड्रीम अगर बड़ा है तो आप अपना अपना खुद का सैलून, अपना खुद का ब्यूटी स्टूडियो खोल सकते हो. The Lakme, you can be the partner with the Lakme by owning the franchisee of salon. आप फ्रेंचाइजी ओनर करके, बिजनेस पार्टनर करके लैक्मे के साथ काम कर सकते हो अगर आपका ड्रीम बड़ा है. लैक्मे प्रोवाइड्स यू ऑल द सपोर्ट्स, from the setting up the infrastructure, with hiring the experts, hiring the front desk managers. So manpower की assurance देते हैं. You get the product support, you get the training support, you get the marketing and sales support also. So you can be the business partner with Lakme, having your own salon, and you can grow and develop, and you can set up many salons in the chain. Okay. हमारे पास ऐसे बहुत सारे बिजनेस पार्टनर्स हैं जिनके जिनके एक से ज्यादा salons है. So if you have a big dream and you are passionate, then Lakme is the best option for you. We have the beauty counters also. So हमारे beauty counters होते हैं wherein you can work as a beauty experts in the departmental store, okay, selling the cosmetics, selling the color cosmetics or skincare cosmetics, personal care cosmetics, even the hair care cosmetics to the clients. इसके अलावा if you want to switch to the education part of it, yes, then also you can be you have a good career in the education. You can be a trainer with Lakme Academies. You can be the trainer with Lakme Lever or Lakme Salons itself. For that, you need to have your proper knowledge with it, and that's why education is important. You can work with other skincare brands as a trainer or as a product developer. Okay. Then we have this industry which is known as beauty and wellness industry. So you can work as a trainer with BWSSE, that is beauty and wellness industry. आप उसके certified trainer होके भी आप काम कर सकते हो. Then yeah, there are some questions. Yes, and there is a question: is it necessary to do manicure and pedicure in the salon? Um, Salon is the concept. Right now it is absolutely acceptable concept to have a family salon. So आजकल लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं होता है, and then people, जैसे personal care is the need, so people would love to spend some time in the salon. So if you have manicure, pedicure services, hair care services, and skincare services together, it will create a hub for people, and it will be a reason to have a good footfall in your salons. So one reason can be this, that you should have manicure pedicure services. And now as the nails industry is growing and people are aware about nails, they would like to beautify their nails. So nail care services are also in demand. So this is one reason you should have manicure and pedicure services in your salon. But if you want to have a specialty type of salon or designer studio, then you can see that what area would you would like to focus. Then there is another question, that why it is better to have a cosmetology certification as compared to single skills. Yes. So Lakme Academy, powered by Aptech, is offering this cosmetology course. The cosmetology course comprises of skin care, hair care, and makeup knowledge. ये एक वेल डिफाइंड कोर्स है जिससे आपका फाउंडेशन अच्छा हो जाएगा. सो यू विल नो ऑल द required things from these three sections, and on top of that you can choose whatever is your liking and you can build your own story. So it is always better to have a good foundation. Okay, और इसी को ध्यान में रख के ये कॉस्मेटोलॉजी का कोर्स बनाया है. So it will help you if you want to become an entrepreneur. If you want to work in the salon or as a beauty or as an expert, then yes, people always choose and multitaskers. सो मल्टीटास्किंग अगर आप कर रहे हो, मतलब यू आर गुड विथ स्किन केयर, यू नो द नॉलेज ऑफ हेयर, यू आर गुड विथ हेयर केयर एंड इवन द मेकअप, you will be in demand when we consider the hiring. There's another question over here. It says that what all questions are asked during the interview of beauty therapist. Okay, so during beauty therapist interview, normally the knowledge of the candidate and the practical skills are checked. Theoretical knowledge may the questions like skin, the knowledge about the skin is asked. So all the questions about skin will be asked. Then the indications and contraindications of the machines you should know. It is absolutely necessary to know that what are the indications and contraindications for each and every service, because as we know that we are working on the people, on the human being. So the result occurs where, what results when, and how we should know that. And this is how your knowledge will be seen, and people, the clients will take you as a point of contact whenever they have problems with their beauty or hair in the future. Then again comes the retail products. So you should have the knowledge about the retail products, some home care, that what all are the do's and don'ts after the service. So these are the few things which you should know and which are commonly asked during the interview. Then there is a question that freelancing is safe or not, or how much I can earn in freelancing. Great, guys. So as you all know that at this point, when we are under the stress of COVID, okay, the hygiene is the most important part of our life now. हाइजीन के लिए बहुत सारी चीज़ें हम अभी घर पर भी इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं. And the same thing is to be used in the salons also, because salons are going to take care of your health while providing the beauty services. So salons में मतलब Lakme salons में we have assured that all the measures of safety will be taken care of. If you are doing freelancing, then it is not possible for everyone to take care of all these safety measures, because freelancer will be traveling from some point and coming to the doorstep. We don't know that, what is the risk of infection over there. Then again, there is a problem with the social distancing, the products, the way of performing the services in the at home atmosphere. Hygiene is the biggest issue, can be the biggest issue over here, because we do not have good infrastructure like a salon setup, and hence freelancing is little difficult, and I would say that it is uh, not that uh, we should avoid doing freelancing because of these hygiene care and the safety measures in this time period now. How much, there is a question that how much can we earn and what is the compensation? Great. So depending on your knowledge, depending on your practical skills, we at Lakme Salons hire the people on three designations, like assistant beauty therapist, then consultant, then expert, and then backstage hero. So the compensation paid by Lakme Salons is 8 to 11,000 for assistant beauty therapist, then 12 to 18,000 is paid for consultant level, and 19 to 25,000 is paid for expert level. But here it is absolutely important, because these basic salaries are low and the commissions or incentives are more. So incentives are generated by the expert, but in Lakme salons, we also support you for generating more and more incentives, because we develop your skills, we develop your time management, we develop your hygiene skills, then we also develop your business skills, customer service skills, physical stamina, tidiness. These all things or these all skills are absolutely important for someone to grow in the industry, to grow in her career. So at Lakme Salons, we secure your future. We show you the growth path. We help you to grow at our organization. Uh, I Okay, so these are the questions, and I have answered almost all the questions from your end. So keep writing to us, send your responses and queries. We are there to guide you. We are there to support you. We are there to, shape your future. So see you and thank you for today.